Hello. If you think that artificial intelligence is just robots from movies, you'll be surprised to learn how close it already is to our everyday lives. Today, we will figure out what AI is, why it's needed, and why everyone is talking about it. So, what exactly is artificial intelligence? It's a computer program that can learn and make decisions like a human. The main way of creating AI is through machine learning. Imagine you want to teach a computer to recognize cats in photos. We show it thousands of images with cats and without them, and it independently finds common features that distinguish cats from other objects. This happens thanks to neural networks, systems similar to the human brain. They consist of many layers, each processing certain information. For example, the first layer may detect object edges, the second analyzes shapes, and the third examines textures. Over time, the neural network becomes more and more accurate. Machine learning is when we give the computer many examples and allow it to find patterns on its own. For instance, if we want to teach it to recognize cats, we show it thousands of images with and without cats. The computer starts noticing common features: triangular ears, fluffy tails, round eyes. These characteristics help it distinguish cats from other animals. This process occurs within a neural network, a system consisting of many layers. The first layer detects basic features such as object edges. The second layer analyzes shapes, and the third examines textures. When all this data is combined, the computer becomes smart enough to recognize cats even in new photos. Many of you don't even notice, but AI already helps you every day. Google Photos automatically sorts your photos into categories. Spotify creates playlists based on your preferences. Your voice assistant answers questions and performs commands. Isn't it interesting what the future holds? Scientists are working on creating more complex AI systems that can solve global problems. What question about AI interests you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments, and maybe the next video will be dedicated to your question. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new releases. Thank you for being with us.